Apart from giving pleasure, it also enhances our knowledge. Assalamualaikum friends. Today we will learn and write together English essay My Hobby. My hobby. A hobby is an activity which we do in our spare time. Different people have different hobbies. By the way, if you don't know me, I am Muhammad Adam and you are watching Adam Online School. Today's topic is my hobby. There are many hobbies like drawing, painting, music, and reading, etc. My hobby is reading books, stories, etc. I love to read books in my free time. I feel that reading is a great hobby. Apart from giving pleasure, it also enhance our knowledge. Reading is helpful in skill building. Now I will revise full lesson for a better understanding. My hobby. A hobby is an activity which we do in our spare time. Different people have different hobbies. There are many hobbies like drawing, painting, music and reading etc. My hobby is reading books, stories etc. I love to read books in my free time. I feel that reading is a great hobby. Apart from giving pleasure, it also enhances our knowledge. Reading is helpful in skill building. For more learning videos, visit Adam Online School and never stop learning. Allah Hafiz.